Oh, hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. So it's been a while. I decided to take a quick break for the holidays and whatnot. Haven't been recording a whole lot. Then I got a little bit sick. So been struggling to get back into recording. But, well, I made my way out here. God, this is going to be so stupid. I made my way out here to the garage today. And basically I was going to be repairing the exhaust tip on my exhaust, right? So I had to buy some more pipe. And, well, I'm going to go ahead and show you that here in a second. I think this episode is mostly just going to be me goofing in the garage and giving a quick update. So yeah, let's get into it. As far as an update goes, so I did have one video recorded for the WRX here, probably about a month ago or so. I had installed a new, it's basically a gauge cluster. There's a couple gauge pods that go into the OEM instrument cluster, and it plugs in, just two gauges. But I'll have a separate video for that. I basically still have to piece it together. And at the end of the episode, I decided I'm going to do a launch, and I snapped an axle just straight off the bat. Having never really driven hard, like all-wheel drive cars, I just dropped the clutch and just instantly snapped a freaking axle. Was able to just drive it on home, honestly. I mean, there's three other wheels that were still good, but so freaking stupid. Yeah, freaking, speaking of stupid, this thing back here, just you wait, hold on, we're getting there. Other updates. Today I have launched basically just a small campaign. I'm launching my new 2025 logo. As you may know, I'm a logo designer. I'm a graphic designer. Designing logos and stuff is the fun part of all this, all the advertising, all the design that goes into it all. So I am launching a new logo for this year, which, spoiler alert, I've actually had on my car this entire time. The Spinnywhoosh banner, the little die-cut outline version of this Millie banner, I'm offering right now for free. I doubt by the time you're watching this video, it won't even still be open. I'm only looking to have so many of them go out, and I'm not looking to get swamped by orders, but I will be having this available on my website, and I will drop a link below and input a quick image right here. Oh, God, I'm trying not to be too cheesy, but yeah. Had a great holiday, had a good time with the kiddo and the family and all that, and I hope you all did as well. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in and, waiting for me to put out this next video. Without further ado, let's go take a look at this frickin' nonsense. Oh my God. Alright. Yeah, so here we go. Welcome to the smoking section. We're about to lay some pipe, y'all. God. Let me go ahead and tune this in. Make sure that it's not all blown out. This is ridiculous. So basically, I'll go ahead and take this off real quick as well to show you just what I'm working on. When I bought this car, the exhaust tip has been crushed. It is just nasty looking. So I'll go ahead and zoom in on this frickin' thing too. But yeah, basically I was told that it was laying off the car. Yeah, you can see that beautiful shape. Laying off the car, it was run over by his friend's buddy in his truck. Yeah. So apparently that was 3 years ago, and this car's just been driven along 3 years for just this nasty looking exhaust tip. I mean, face it, JDM cars, something about a nice exhaust tip, just looks good. So I've been trying to find the right size pipe, and I was able to find this nice polished stainless pipe. Well, let me just go ahead and hold it like this. Nice polished stainless pipe. And I found this 5-inch, which seems to be a bit big, but I think we should be able to make it work. And I'm just going to chop a bit off. I'm going to chop the OEM part off and have it nicely welded on. Yeah, and so it just slips right over it. I mean, I have to fire it up. Come on. This is absolutely ridiculous. I'm sure I'll have a couple reels on the old socials and shit, but yeah, this just made me wanting to make a quick video and just give you a quick update, telling y'all happy holidays and enjoy my ridiculousness. Stupid. All right. So, without further ado, I think I'm gonna go ahead and fire her up. I'll leave the exhaust. Leave the old thing right here. Yeah. And grab the keys. Alright. Yeah, honestly, not too different sounding. I just want to see what it would do. But I hope you enjoyed my Canon video here. I don't think I have anything else to do. Let's keep this one nice, short, and sweet. I should have the next video out and edited fairly soon. Like I said, I just want to put out this video. So, I'm Scott with Spinnywhoosh. Check out my site. I actually have a New Year's sale going on right now. Theme of the week is New Year, New Look. Switch up your graphics, get some new graphics, whatever you want to do. I got some sales out to make it all cheaper. And, ooh, I have one big update here coming up. I'm just waiting on a couple final words, but I cannot wait to tell you all about this. But another video. Until next time, thanks for tuning in. Like, follow, subscribe, helps the channel, and makes my heart grow bigger. Thank you. Bye.